Hello everyone, today I want to show you my new Coach wallet that I got from the outlet, and I want to show you how I'm going to use it and what fits into it, and I'm going to compare it to some other Coach stuff that I already have. So stay tuned, and I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I just got this about a week or so ago. I said I wanted to do a video to let you guys see what I got, and this is, they call it Coach Bifold Wallet, and I am holding the camera with one hand while trying to do this with one hand. Hopefully it won't be too shaky. Okay, so I got the color black, and yeah, at first glance this looks like a checkbook, but they call it a wallet, and here it is. I got it in the color black with the gold hardware. Just wanted to show y'all what it looks like on the inside. Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots and a slot for, oops, and a slot for the ID. And this. I guess it's for your pen. It does remind me of a checkbook, but they call it a wallet. It's nice. It's a cute little thing. I got it at the Coach outlet online, and it was I think like $23. Let's see. Like I said, I got the camera in one hand, so just hold on, y'all. I think it was like 73% off or something. Yeah, I got it for $23.52. So I got a place I can put my bills. Sometimes I don't want my bills folded, but sometimes it doesn't matter. And let's see. Okay. Now I wanted it in black because I prefer the leather over the canvas, and I wanted the whole piece to be leather. I know it's just $20-something, but I just preferred the black because I wanted it to match my purse. They have a lot of different colors, and if you get a canvas one, especially like the chalk canvas with the different prints, they got like a chalk canvas with the dandelion print that just came out, and I saw one, the chalk with the rose bouquet print. Those are so pretty because the inside, the color on the inside is like a taupe or a light saddle, and I think, I'm not certain, but I think there was one that had the like a, I think they call it like a rose. It's like a light blossom, like this color. The interior is like a soft pink, and it was so pretty. But I decided on this one because I was like, should I get another one? Especially when they came out with that dandelion. I was like, oh, dandelion. I know it's supposed to be some kind of healthy thing for you, but when I think of dandelion, I just think of a weed that's in the grass. Get it out. So I'm like, oh no, I don't want that one. Unless the interior, the exterior was pink. Like, oh, yeah, I love pink. I love that color. Got my tablet here. These things have been selling out really quickly. I know sometimes whenever they have sales, they choose to put some up one week and then the next week it's not there, or vice versa. But the bifolds in chocolate, I was telling you, I don't see them on the website. Let me turn this flash off. This is Coach. Come on, focus. Coach outlet. I just got my tablet. I got my tablet. My big tablet. Is it focusing? There we are. Just roll it up a little bit. So this is the one I got. Oh, okay, so I got it for 76%. This is still the same price. That's good. That's 76% off. And this one, let's see, I like that color. Even though I don't like it. I don't prefer the canvas. But if I did, I would go for the khaki canvas. I haven't gotten anything in the Coach canvas in a while, in over like 10 years. But the last one I got, it was, let's see, what color is it? What's the color? Is there a color? Was this color? But now I'm liking this canvas color better. And look at the interior. Isn't that pretty? And like I was saying, the interior for all the different canvases, the colors is different. Let's see this one. And that's black. Different. Just wanted y'all to see that. Hold on, let me turn the flash on. That might be, oh, okay, that's much better. So that's fabric. And I don't have any any colored polish on my nails. I was gonna put this, but I just threw some of this on. This is good though. Sometimes I use this as a base coat. Sometimes I just use it as a top coat. I should try this out. I got this, I think, Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. This is really good. But then here's the glazing. So I paused it, put some stuff in it, and tested it out. Even though they've got, what did I say, four card slots. I tried putting 2 card slots in each one. That's my license. Y'all don't see my lemon in my picture. I tried putting 2 card slots in each one, and it was, if you got a nice manicure or something, it's gonna be real hard to get that stuff out. So I would recommend, I'm not gonna pull this thing all the way out, but I would recommend, see, that's an old card, an old like dummy card. I like that. Y'all see my real stuff? Okay. Like a temporary card, don't even have my name on it. It's hard getting that out because there are 2 here and 2 here. So I would recommend, just putting 1 in each. And if you don't want to use this as an ID, you just put another in it and you got like 5. But if you don't mind, if you got like the hard acrylic nails and they can stand anything, then yeah, by all means, you can put that in there. And then I have 1 bill in here, and it fits in fine. And you can get it out fine. And I showed you. You got a space. You put some in here too. You put some. Am I going? Yeah, here. Okay. I took out the ones where I had double cards and then just put 1 single card in each slot. And now, even with nails, yeah, it's much easier to get out. Give you an idea of the size of it. I compare it to a wristlet. One of the regular size Coach corner zip wristlets. This is mine in patent leather. But as you can see, this little Bifold wallet is longer, but not taller. So we y'all know that the wristlets, they're 6x4, so this is, what's this, like 7, I think it's like 7 by 3.5. I got this because I wanted something different to go with one of my Coach bags, and let's see, I want it to match. Like our wallet to match. You can take it this way or the wrong way. Another thing I wanted to tell y'all, this wallet is light. If you're looking for a light wallet, you're tired of carrying those heavy wallets around in your purse, if you got a small purse, then this is good because it's to me it's light as a feather. Even when I had the I had six cards in there. I had 5 credit cards and 1 in my license, and just 1 bill, one $20 bill. But it was still very, very light. Very light. So if you're looking for something light, go for that. You can swap it out for your heavy wallet. So I think this is a cute little thing. It's nice to have. Nice to have alternatives than your regular bulky wallet. So hope I gave y'all some information. For those of you who were wondering about this, what I call it again, what you call it? It's a Coach Bifold Wallet. And I got it Coach Outlet. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.